Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video we will see like how we can query a single product or single category. So the purpose of this tutorial is this video is kind of like we can understand how we can pass parameters to our query, and based on the parameters how we can resolve any query. So let's get started. So what I'm going to do here is like I will add one more property on query here that is called product. In product, you can use something like this. This is pretty much similar to any JavaScript function. So I will write ID as ID, and this ID will I will mark is mandatory, and the return type of this will be product. Let's assume like if I'm passing the wrong ID, then there will be no product. That's why I'm not making it mandatory. It can be null. All right. Now what I will do is like I will restart this server. Now I'll go in index.js. So as we define this property on query, we'll have to resolve it on query. So after comma, what I'm going to do is like I'm going to write the same property name that is here product. To resolve any query, what we do is like we use method, and we also know like the first parameter is parent, but now we are going to learn the second parameter, and this is args. Whatever arguments will be passing, it will come here as an object. What we can do is like we can destructure it like this, and then we are going to like resolve this. Since we are resolving product, I will be using products data, and I will use find method. With the help of find method, I will compare with the ID. After doing this, we can verify whether our code is working fine or not. As we can see, like the new query is appearing here. Here in the definition, if I expand it little bit, okay, so it is not appearing, but yeah, if you hover on it, you will see like it will take one parameter called ID. So this takes an argument called ID. What I'm going to do is like I will be writing a query that will accept one parameter for product. Since the product field is directly defined on query, so I can write it here only, and I will define the ID parameter as something like 3, and then I need to select the properties that we want to fetch. Assume like we want only product name. If I click run, I will get product 3 only. Let's say if I want to get the ID as well, then I can get it as well. Also like if you want to get the category of the product, you can also do it. You can see like for the product ID 3, we are getting category and all these details. Let's go back in code and define the same thing for category as well. As we defined the resolver for product, I'm going to define the resolver for category under query, as it was the property of query itself. Now to resolve this, we need to use a method, and as we know like the first parameter is parent, and we will be getting the ID in second parameter after destructuring it. To resolve category, we will be using this categories data. We can apply, we can use find method. Now the server is restarted, so we can try to retest it again. If I go back, I see like there's another query, there's another field under query. What I will do here is like I will add one more query here apart from this product. For example, category, and I will pass some ID here. I will select some of the fields like name, ID. As you can see, like we are getting category also. You can also select products. So it's working for us. So in this video, we learned how we can query single item with the help of arguments.